Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see the quick fix for YouTube comments not showing. So the first fix you can try is go to your Play Store and search for YouTube. So once you search for it, see if there is an update available. As you can see for my one, there is an update available. So I have to update my YouTube, and once it is installed, and then try to see the YouTube comments if they're showing. And if it is still going on, then keep tapped on YouTube, tap on the info icon on the top, and here scroll down and go to storage and clear the cache. As you can see, it is a very large file. Tap on clear cache
Guys, only time
and see if your YouTube comments is showing. But if the problem still persists, go to your YouTube and go to your profile and try changing an account or switch account. Uh, this may work faster. So yeah, this is how you can solve this problem. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.